first line, if a hot solid object, if a hot solid object and the water if a hot solid object is put in water of colorimeter is put in water of colorimeter, the heat exchange between heat exchange between the water and colorimeter start. Heat exchange between water and colorimeter starts. On our videos, boys, your videos must be on. Change the line. This process continues till the temperature of solid object, water and colorimeter becomes equal. This process continues till the temperature of solid object, water and colorimeter becomes equal. Change the line, make the paragraph. Write observation number 1. Give the heading, heat lost by solid object. Heat lost by solid object is equal to heat gain in colorimeter plus heat gain by water in colorimeter plus heat gain by colorimeter. Plus heat gain by colorimeter. So I will repeat once more. Heat lost by solid object is equal to heat gain by water in colorimeter plus heat gain by colorimeter. Change the line. Heat lost by solid object in bracket diagram Q is equal to mass of solid object into specific heat into decrease in temperature. So I did once more. Heat lost by object in bracket capital Q is equal to mass of solid object into specific heat into decrease in temperature. Number third now, heat gained by water. Heat gained by water is equal to mass of water into its specific heat into decrease in temperature. Into decrease in temperature. So I'll read once more. Heat gained by water Q1. Q1 is equal to mass of water into its specific heat into increase in temperature. Change the line. Heat gained by calorimeter. Heat gained by calorimeter is equal to, in bracket around Q2, mass of calorimeter into specific heat into increase in temperature. Increase in temperature into increase in temperature. Again change line now. Heat lost by hot object. Heat lost by hot object. Symbol Q is equal to right equal to heat gained by calorimeter. Heat gained by calorimeter, that means Q2, plus heat gained by water Q1. Heat gained by water, that is Q1. Write equation now. Q is equal to Q2 plus Q1. This is our final equation. Capital Q is equal to Q2 plus Q1. Change the line and write conclusion. Give the heading conclusion of this experiment of calorimeter. Conclusion. If the specific heat of water and calorimeter are known, if the specific heat of water and calorimeter are known, then the specific heat of the solid object can be calculated. Solid object can be calculated. After this now, come in the exercise. Boys, come in exercise. On your videos. Why you are closing your videos? You don't know. Why you are closing your videos? Open the exercise now. See the example from exercise. Example from exercise. Question number 9. See question number 9. Question number 9. Note down that example. Question number 9. Answer is already given. See how to solve it. Example number 9. Question number 9. Example number 1. Equal heat is given to two objects A and B of mass 1 gram. Temperature of A increased by 3 degrees Celsius and B by 5 degrees Celsius. Which object has more specific heat and by what factor? First write given values. Mass M is equal to 1 gram. Mass M is equal to 1 gram. Write first given values. Mass M is equal to 1 gram. Then see the temperature increased by first object M delta T1 equal to 3 degrees Celsius. Temperature of second object delta T2 5 degrees Celsius. Then heat Q is equal to same for both. Then that formula Q is equal to mass M1C1 into delta T1 and mass write only M. And for second object C2 into delta T2. Heat for first object M into C1, that means specific heat, into temperature delta T1. For second object M into C2 into delta T2. Arrange this equation now. C1 upon C2 is equal to temperature T2 upon temperature T1. Temperature for T2 is 5 and T1 is 3. T1 is 3. That means specific heat of C1 equal to 5. Specific heat of C2 is equal to 3. And ratio will be C1 upon C2 is equal to 5 upon 3. And write that specific heat of object A is more than object B. Specific heat of object A is more than object B. Now who are coming? Agnel Fernandez. Hello, Puro. Is it clear? First example, boys, you get the answer 5 by 3. अरे बोला कौन तरी? Yes, boys. Hello. You get the answer for question example number 1. Go for example number 2 now. Example number 2. Here you have to find out heat absorbed. Yes. On second example, question number 9.
Liquid ammonia is used in ice factory for making ice. Water temperature 20 degrees Celsius convert into 2 kilogram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. How many grams of ammonia are to be evaporated? Latent is given 341. Note down that example. You will see one by one. Example लिहून घ्या. And write given values. Write given values. Given values for second example, mass M1 2 kilogram. Mass M1 2 kilogram. Then temperature T1 see how much given? 20 degrees Celsius. M1 is given 2 kilogram. Delta T1 temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Specific heat C1 is equal to 1. Latent heat C given for both. Latent heat given C for both. (341). Latent heat of first object C. Take 80 and here 341. Latent heat L2. Now write first Q1 is equal to heat lost by water. Heat lost by water. Write formula M1 C1 delta T1 plus M1 L1. Write the formula Q1 is equal to M1 C1 into T1. M1 C1 into T1. Patkar, how it becomes. Put the values. M1 2, C1 1, delta T1 20 plus M1 2 into L1 80. 40 plus 160, 200 kilocalories. 200 kilocalories. Similarly now Q2, heat absorbed by ammonia. Similarly Q2, heat absorbed by ammonia. Heat absorbed by ammonia. Q2, write formula M2 into L2. That means M2 into 341. In bracket down, Q1 is equal to Q2, the value is given 200. Therefore write 200 equal to M2 into 341. That means M2 is equal to 200 divided by 341. You will get 0.5865 in kilograms. If you convert into gram, 586.5 grams. 586 grams. That means 586.5 grams of ammonia is evaporated. 586.5 ammonia is evaporated. And by using same formula, you go for example number 3rd. By using same formula. Example number 3rd. Try to solve. Ask your doubts. I will tell the formula. Come on. Be fast now. One by one. व्हिडिओ बंद करून झोपलात काय? ऑन युअर व्हिडिओज. सगळे झोपले बघा. गो फॉर एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3rd. Example number 3rd. A thermally insulated pot has 150 gram of ice at temperature 0 degree Celsius. Read that example. Write the given values fast. Write the given values. First write mass M1 is equal to 150 gram. Mass M1 is equal to 150 gram. Temperature delta T1 50 degree Celsius. Temperature delta T1 50 degree Celsius. Now latent heat L1 80, L2 540, L1 80, L2 540. Then write temperature T2 delta T2 is equal to 100 minus 50, that is 50 degree Celsius. 100 minus 50, 50 degree Celsius. And now find out heat absorbed by water, then heat absorbed by ice, and heat given by steam. First write Q1 is equal to heat absorbed by ice. Q1 is equal to heat absorbed by ice. Heat absorbed by ice. Heat absorbed by ice. लिहिलात का? Heat absorbed by ice. Write formula M1 into L1. M1 into L1. Put the values 150 into 80. 150 into 80. How much answer you will get? 150 into 80. Do the simple calculation. 150 into 80 किती येईल? 12,000 calories. 12,000 calories. Then take Q2 is equal to heat absorbed by water on melting ice. Heat absorbed by water on melting ice. Write formula M1 into specific heat of water into temperature delta T1. M1 specific heat, write formula CW, that means specific heat of water, into delta T1. Put the values now. M1 150 into specific heat C is 1, temperature delta T1 is 50. That means 150 into 1 into 50. 7,500. Now Q3, heat given by steam. Heat given by steam. Write formula M2 into L2. M2 into L2. M2 you have to find out. Write M2 into 540. M2 into 540. Keep as it is. Now Q4 is equal to that formula M2 into specific heat of water C into temperature T2. Temperature T2. Keep M2 as it is. Specific heat 1, temperature 50. M2 into 1 into 50. Now we get 4 values, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Write equation now. Q1 plus Q2 is equal to Q3 plus Q4. Q1 plus Q2 is equal to Q3 plus Q4. Put all the values and find out value for M2. सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करा आणि M2 ची व्हॅल्यू करा, फाइंड आउट करा. फायनल आन्सर 33.05 येते का बघा. Q1 12,000, Q2 7,500 is equal to M2 into 540 plus M2 into 50. 1,900 equal to M2 into 590. That means M2 is equal to 19,500 divided by 590. You will get answer 33.05. 33.05. तेवढा आन्सर येतं का बघा इक्वेशन लिहून. आणि एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 सॉल्व करा. And see boys, after this topic of 5th topic from paper 1, from tomorrow we are turning for paper 2nd, new topic. Till then you complete the exercise. Is it clear? From paper 1, topic number 1 to 5. Check your all the exercise. Check the all the exercise. Now if any doubts are there, you can ask to me. Time up, no? Boys? If any doubts are there, you can ask me and solve the exercise.